Hey guys, welcome to Flights and Fabrics. I am Simire, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you stay around and you subscribe and you share and you like and you comment and everything that is good and is supportive. Thank you so much. And showing some love is always a good thing to do nowadays. Anyways, it is Sunday and today we have a new topic that I would like to touch upon. I have been eyeing this particular thing for so long, so long, and I think it took this particular situation that I'm about to talk about for me to purchase this bag. It's a bag. We're talking about a bag today. And I went out there and got myself a Loewe. Okay, a Loewe puzzle bag. And let me tell you something. First of all, let's unpack the bag. It's a huge box and it's not very special, okay? Apparently they had run out of the original bags, so they gave me this one, and when you look inside, that's the bag. No fine packaging and nothing at all. I just got this duffel bag as an extra thing that was in the bag, and then there's the bag itself, and then I have my receipt. Okay, so there was no box or anything, no fancy thing. I went there to purchase it feeling like, oh my god, I'm going to get an experience out of this whole purchase, even though it was like a panic purchase, but I still was expecting a whole treatment. But I got this boxed bag, but that is used for candles apparently, and then the bag itself. Now my theory is that the reason they don't give us the boxes, I don't think that it's Loewe that owns the store, but rather like it's in a retail store. So yeah, I got this, and even this doesn't look anything like, there's nothing special about it other than you see like the logo, and then you know, you know, but it doesn't say Loewe, it doesn't say anything. And I got myself a mini. Okay, I've been eyeing this bag ever since it came out, and I was like, what is that? Like, I love the design, I love everything about it, and I was like, well, it's not in my priority to buy one just now. I've been saying that ever since it came out, because first of all, I was a student, and second of all, it was not the bag at that point of time. You could only get it in the original size, which is a small, and then there is the bigger one, which they call medium, I think, and then there is this one, which is the mini. Now God really looked at me and was like, girl, you don't need a small or big, you need a mini, because you're such a fan of minis. So it was not around 2018 that the minis came to the market. Now let me give you a little story, a little background story. The original bag was released in 2014 by the designer named Jonathan Anderson, and he was the mastermind behind this whole design, and this became the it bag back then, still is, and this is the face of Loewe, but it's about to be discontinued, which is insane. Like, why would you discontinue something so iconic for your brand as this bag? Everyone and their mama has this cute little number here, whether it's in medium, small, or mini. You will see everyone out there, especially the fashion girls, they have it in different colors and different logos and limited editions, but it will still be the puzzle bag. This is the name of the bag. So it was designed by Jonathan back then, and it just took over with Storm, and it doesn't have any logos. You cannot tell at any point that this is like a brand other than this little logo here. But other than that, it's just, if you know, you know, right? And the original, I will showcase it here. It had like legs, and it had other kind of like hardware, so it has grown within time. And yes, it was not until 2018 that the mini hit the market, and I was like, this is what I am going to get. The reason I love this bag is the details. I mean, it is absolutely, you cannot hate on this girl right here. Like, it's in the details. We love details. We love the good craftsmanship, and that's why I'm so angry that they choose to discontinue it, because they're like, oh, we have a new one, and the name is the Puzzle Edge, which I will showcase here. And the rumors are that the reason that they're discontinuing this bag has something to do with the craftsmanship and how long it takes. You know, the consumers, they know that a lot of people are purchasing this product within their brand, and they just want to, you know, keep on producing without having to take so much time and having to use so much leather, because this use a lot of leather, and you can tell by the fact that it is, you know, the way it is made, especially here in front. You can just see the way that this is made, and it's just sophistication and very playful, but it takes a while. And I think I read somewhere that it takes about 9 hours to make one of these, and it's just too expensive for them in, you know, in labor and also in material. So these bags, the price is still the same, but with the new design, it's not the same. So you're getting less for your money. For me, at least, that's how I feel, because it doesn't, you can tell the difference here. And back when these bags hit the market, they were actually a bit cheaper. But at that time, this was not produced, so the price of this was the price of the bigger one. So it is just mind-blowing how they're choosing to keep the same price, but yet at the same time, they just give us something that is just not, you know, what we're paying for. So yeah, the design will look different. The leather, I think, is still going to be calf skin, and that's the good thing about this bag. The finish of this leather is to die for. I love it. I love the way it feels when I hold it, but it also comes with some very cons, which is, because it's such a fine leather and very smooth and very fragile, yeah, it gets very fragile. So there's going to be marks, there's going to be like scratches and everything. So it's a bag that I would recommend you to take really good care of. If you're not using it, put it back in its dust bag. It's a fragile bag, but the design though, like, I'm not here to complain. I love good craftsmanship and good detailing, and that's why I loved the puzzle bag the first time I saw it. I was like, what is that? Wow, what? And so I just don't feel like Loewe can be like fair, like they're not being fair to take this off the market, because this is the face of Loewe for the past couple of years. Like, if you mention Loewe and their bags and accessories, like, this will come up as much as like the Chanel boy bag, or like the Speedy for Louis Vuitton. Like, this, I don't understand why they're doing that to themselves. The pros about this cute little bag is that it is very easy to carry, and you can literally, like, it's not boxy, so you can just, you know, like, use it very easily and press it as you want. And also the details, it looks really nice on a lot of outfits. It's not an evening bag. You're not taking this to a soiree where you're wearing like your gowns and everything. No, I think it's an everyday bag. I think it's it goes a lot. It's edgy. It goes a lot with everything. Right now I'm wearing like this cute little dress, and you can tell like, hee hee, I'm going on a date. I'm going with myself. And then the inside of the bag, let's take this out. So there is this. There is the inside of the bag, which is like very there's a lot in here. There's a strap, and we are going to get into that a little bit later. There's the inside of the bag, and it's just nice and clean and very like comfortable because of the fabric of it. For me, it's the fabric, and then it has the logo in here. And once you zipper this part here, right here, there is the flap, and it just makes it very elegant. It just hides the zipper, and then you're good to go. So, and it can contain a lot of stuff. Okay, so today I actually brought a lot of things to just show you, like perfume, card, makeup, you see, what else, I don't know. It carries a lot of things, and it still keeps the shape, and I'm sure that it can carry a lot of more things. So it really, and it's not that heavy. Like sometimes you buy a leather that it's quite heavy, and I feel like this is fair, and we can, you know, keep on putting a lot of shit in this. And then we have this strap, and it's thin. In the original one, I will show you right here, it was like another size, but with the mini I feel like they just wanted it to be a bit chic and easy on the go. So we got a little strap. Let me put this on, and here you go. So this is how it look. There's a strap, right? Cute, and I will be using it. It's just going to be my to-go-to, but yet at the same time it's going to be a bag that I really have to take care of, compared to my other bags where it's like it's it's not something that I will be worried about. But because of the condition of this type of leather, I am going to be extra careful with this bag. And another thing that can be like a bit annoying is the way the space you sacrifice, like you have to sacrifice, you know, because of the flap and because of the design of it. It's kind of hard to just, you know, reach for all the things in your bag easily. So it's not the typical bag where you just have like, you throw things in there and you reach out for them. No, it's a bit hard to do that. And I already had a dupe, so I kind of knew what I was signing up for. But if you're the type of person who just couldn't bother, like always struggling with your stuff, I'm not going to recommend this bag. And if you're the type of person who do not like a mini, I will definitely recommend for you to buy a small or a medium, as they call it, and see it for yourself. And I don't think that you can still get these on their website. I even, like, when I heard the rumors first, I was like, is that true? And I went to the website, but they wasn't telling us anything. There wasn't anything indicating that they were going to discontinue this bag. I could only see when I went to purchase, there were only the edge. The real puzzle was not there. The puzzle edge was the new thing. So I decided to go to the boutique in town, and then I asked the cashier, and she told me yes, they were discontinuing the bag, and actually all the bags that they had in store was the last round. They're trying to sell them out so they can come, you know, they can get the new ones in store and start selling the puzzle edge. So I got that confirmed, and at that point I was like, I need to have this. This is this is one of the bags that you want to have in your closet if you're a bag collector as I am, and you like unique pieces. It has been the bag that everyone has been talking about in the fashion world, and we all love it. And it's the bag, if you know, you know. And it doesn't really come with all kinds of complication other than the cute, very fun and playful design. So yeah, I'm very angry that Loewe is doing this to us, because I had to purchase this bag. I had to purchase this bag quickly because I was not about to lose on the bag that I've been dreaming of for almost 10 years. I was like, I kept pushing it. I was like, I'll buy it, I'll buy it, I'll buy it, until it was like last call for the Loewe puzzle bag, and I was like, yes, I'll take that. And it was actually one of the last 10 bags in Copenhagen. I was like, got mine. I don't need to worry about anybody else right now. So yeah, if you like it, you can always find it on Vestia collection. I will link the link below. And then you can find, you know, some used ones to a very, very reasonable price. Otherwise, go on a hunt, girl, because I'm not sure that we will still see this particular design in the stores or online. So yeah, anyways, thank you so much for staying around and going through my unboxing Loewe bag. Still so sad that I only got a duffel bag and never got the box to really like unpack my bag, but whatever. We live and we learn. But thank you so much for staying around. I'll see you next week. Until then, may you have a wonderful Sunday, and I wish you a good week ahead of you. See you next time. Bye bye.